enjoy the video.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for watching this. So welcome back with me. My name is Zia Shokitamima. I'm from 1KA35 System Informations, and my NPM is 111233364. So we're gonna discuss about grammar again. Okay, so we're gonna talk about topics 4 until 6. And first is I'm gonna explain about clause. Clause is sentence who has subjects and verbs. Okay, but this clause is a complex sentence. Jadi clause adalah kalimat kompleks di mana terdiri dari banyak subject verb, dan subject verb. But if we're gonna make perfect sentence with two or more clause, we must have some connector between both. Oke, bentuknya kayak subjects, verbs, Dia adalah dua kalimat or two sentence. Jadi, we need to put an connector between the sentence. So, if this sentence have a three clause, so we need two connector between them to make it perfect. Okay, topic 4, it's about coordinate connector. The coordinate connector is one way to connect two clauses is to use and, but, or, and so between the clauses. The example is, the material has been cut and the pieces have been sewn together. Okay, this is a perfect sentence, the perfect clause, perfect sentence. Why? Because we have an after cut, the material is a subject, has been cut is a verb, and the connector is an. The second clause is the pieces as a subject have been sewn together is a verb for a second clause. Okay, move to the topic 5. Topic 5 is noun clause connector. Noun clause connector terdiri dari what, when, where, why, how, whether, if, that. Contohnya kayak Sally explain it. Why she did it. Why itu sebagai kalimat penghubung dari kedua klausa Sally explain it and she did it. Okay, dia sebagai penghubung dari dua klausa tersebut. Jadi di sini what, when, where, why, how itu bukan sebagai kalimat tanya, bukan dari awal kalimat tanya. Jadi hati-hati kalau misalnya ada sentence yang terdiri dari dua klausa dan ada what, when, where, why, how, itu setelah dari penghubung itu harus ada subject dan verb, gak boleh verb duluan atau kebalik gitu, atau nggak ada subjeknya, itu akan menjadi kalimat yang salah. Jadi urutannya harus tetap subject, verb, subject, verb sebagai penghubung dari dua klausa. Kalau misalnya dibalik, Sally explain it. Why did she eat? Why did she? Itu salah, benar-benar salah karena akan menjadi kalimat pertanyaan seperti itu. Okay, move to the topic 6. Topic 6 about adjective clause connector. Ada 3, yaitu whom, which, sama that. Whom for people, which for thing, and that for people and thing. Okay, jadi jangan salah. Kalau misalnya whom untuk siapa, orang gitu. Kalau misalnya which for thing, untuk benda, untuk sesuatu. And for that it's a both gitu, itu bisa dua-duanya. Di sini kita harus lihat connector, kita harus lihat pada klausa pertama, the first clause. Kita ngomongin apa? Kalau misalnya ngomongin orang, berarti kita pakai whom atau that juga bisa. Kalau misalnya kita lagi ngomongin benda, kita pakai which dan that juga bisa, karena that itu bisa dua-duanya. It's the incorrect example, okay? Incorrect, jadi kita harus betulin. The incorrect one is they may feel less positive about those which they cannot cure. Kenapa ini salah? Karena dia menggunakan which, harusnya menggunakan whom. Dimana kita berbicara di klausa sebelumnya, nih di klausa pertama, kita ngomongin those, about those, tentang mereka yang sedang menjalani perawatan gitu. Jadi kita pakainya harusnya whom, bukan which. Okay, let me answer the exercise weekly assignment topics 4 until 6. The first question is, if a group of elk crosses in front of you, you are looking at a gun. Okay, this sentence is incorrect. Why? Because in front the sentence we have if, but we missing first clause. And the after front of you we need connector to connect the second clause and the third clause. The third clause is you're looking at the game. The second question is, map makers may or may not understand the geological processes, but they try to present an accurate picture of what they find. Okay, the answer is correct because there we have the first clause is map makers may or may not understand the geological processes, but as a connector, they try to present an accurate picture of what they find. So the answer is correct. Third question is, but I can be convinced. Okay, we know this is an incorrect sentence because we missing first clause. And but as a connector, and the second clause is I can be convinced. Answer is incorrect because we missing a first clause. The questions number 4. The chemist was awarded the Nobel Prize. He flew to Europe to accept it. Okay, the answer is incorrect because we're missing connector in this sentence. After first clause is the chemist was awarded the Nobel Prize. The first sentence, and the second clause is he flew to Europe to accept it. So we missing the connector between them. Question number 5 is, this is still a workable approach in some fields of philosophy and has certainly been a workable method in mathematics. So the answer is incorrect because we're missing a subject in first clause. And okay, we're just missing the subject because we have a connector. Oh, in second clause we have connector, but we're missing subject too. Has is a verb. We're missing subject. The answer is incorrect because we're missing subject. The questions number 6. Inductive reasoning is a mental process by which we make predictions about future outcomes. The answer is correct because we have a first clause is inductive reasoning as a subject and is as a verb, by which as a connector, and we in the second clause is we as a subject and makes as a verb. Okay, so the answer is correct. Questions number 7. William Samuel Johnson helped write the Constitutions, became the first president of Columbia College in 1787. Okay, the answer is incorrect because there's a 2 choices. I don't know because I think after William Samuel Johnson we're missing verbs, and before helped we're missing connector. But if they both okay or perfectly right, and the problem is after constitutions we missing connector. So before kings and after constitutions, we missing connect. But the answer is incorrect. Number 8. That the professor has not yet decided when is the paper due. The answer is incorrect. Because we have that in the first clause. So, but we missing first clause anyway. So, missing first clause and when, after when, we're missing subjects. Because when is a verb. So we're missing first clause and missing subject in the second clause. Okay, number 9. The story that you told me about Goddard. Goddard. The answer is incorrect because missing verb. The story is subject. That is a connector, and you told me it's a second clause, so we're missing verb for the first clause. Okay, the last number 10 is she was still sick was obvious to the entire medical staff. The answer is also incorrect because we missing connector. The first clause is she as a subject was is a subject. Verbs. I'm so sorry. Verbs. We're missing connector and missing subject too. Okay, enough. So that's topics 4 until 6. It's about clause and connector for a complex sentence. I hope you like my video. I hope you understand what I mean. I think my answer is correct too. So I hope you always find and good one. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, miss. Bye.